in on here with our little Maggie. Yes. And today in our videos we're going to be practicing some stuff that Maggie's going to have to go through on her AKC test and therapy dog stuff. So I'm going to practice a lot of stuff with her being distracted. We're going to practice with her on the leash, walking through the garage. I'm going to knock stuff over. I'm going to make some loud sounds. In essence, is when you guys go and actually take the test, Maggie's going to have to be okay with people in wheelchairs. So get used to her being around like bikes and stuff like that, things with wheels. She's also going to have to be okay with somebody on crutches who comes by, so people walking funny and dropping stuff. She's also going to have to do stuff with people who have things connected to them, like an IV stand and everything, walking along. So I'm going to try to simulate as many of those as I possibly can with my limited resources here. So we're going to start with making some loud noises and knocking some stuff over, and I'm going to have Maggie sit, stay for it. So come here, Maggie. Good girl. Sit, stay. So I'm just going to knock the chair over and it's good. It's okay. She's acting up. We just don't want her to freak out. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Not bad. Okay. Stay. Stay. Maggie. Come here. Maggie. Come here. Sit. Stay. Now, showing curiosity is not a bad thing. She's allowed to go over and check it out. We just don't want her to freak out about it. Come here. Come here. It's okay, Maggie. Come here. Look. Come here. Come here. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Maggie, come here. It's okay. It's okay. Look. Look. It's okay. Go. Good girl. See? That's fine. Good. All right. So I'm going to drop some other stuff. Make sure she's okay. Come here, Maggie. Come here. So she obviously, like most dogs, is not a fan of things that are loud noises that scare her. It's okay. Good girl. Maggie. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Stay. Maggie. Come here. Come here. Sit. Stay. 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 Got her favorite tennis ball. Good. Stay. Maggie, come here. Come here. It's okay. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Good, stay. Good, so that one doesn't... It's okay. It's okay. Good girl. Good girl, Maggie. So with her wagging her tail and still being okay and excited to come to me, that's exactly what we want. We just don't want her to freak out or start barking or be afraid or run away, okay? Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Where's it go? See? It's just a bed. See? Good girl. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Stay. Maggie. Come here. Come here. Maggie. Come here. Good girl. Sit. Sit down. Good. Stay. Stay. Sit. Stay. Good girl. Good girl. Now it's okay if you're moving stuff around and she gets up and is kind of afraid, but we want to make sure that she tries to stay in her sit and stay in her stay. Good girl. All right, now Maggie and I are going to practice walking through some of this stuff and having it move around a little bit and her still being okay with it. We have to make sure that when she's around people who are handicapped or who, are on crutches or everything, that she's not going to pull them over when she gets excited or when she gets scared. So we're going to walk through some of this stuff. Good girl. Come on, Maggie, let's go walk. Good girl. Good. Good girl. It's okay. Maggie, come. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Come on, let's go sit. Maggie. Come on. Come on. Girl. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. Come on, this way. This way. Good job. So no matter what's going on around Maggie, we want to make sure that she's still okay, because when we're in that hospital setting, people are going to knock over dead hands, and they're also going to be walking funny with either their IV or something, or with crutches or a wheelchair. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. It's okay. Come here. Come here. See? It's perfectly fine, yeah? Yeah? Good girl. Good girl. Maggie, come here. Good. Gentle. Good girl. Good. So that's doing much, much better, yeah? Even with the scary noises. Now I'm actually going to turn on the dryer and see how she reacts to that, because it's a very loud noise. Make sure she's okay with it. Come here, Maggie. Come here. Over here. Come here. Good girl. Alright, so that was her first attempt. So she's a little bit scared, but what I do is I just kind of coax her, I give her lots of pets, give her a treat, make sure she's doing okay. Good girl, Maggie, come here. That's a good girl. Good job. We just want to make sure that she's not going to freak out, and even though she is on the leash, we don't want her pulling over, because just in case any loud noises happen when she is around other people that might be walking impaired, we don't want her to pull them over or knock anything that they're actually holding or anything over. All right, come here, Maggie. Come here. I know you're scared, aren't you? It's okay. It's okay. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. So we're definitely going to have to practice a lot with the loud noises, because they tend to get to Maggie, just like most dogs, because they have great hearing. So we want to make sure that we practice a lot of the loud, scary noises with her and make sure that she's good with it. Good girl. Good girl. So this was Stephanie and Maggie, and we were working a little bit on distractions and the loud noises for her test.